it's your boy Ben Gaming here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your mouse off when your PC is off. Some people are having this issue, but when I looked there was no video and I had to find out myself. So basically you want to just turn on your PC and start spamming the button to get into your BIOS. So in my case it's delete or F2, might be F1, F2, I don't know. It should just tell you like when you start up your computer. Right, so now it'll bring you into a menu like this. If you have Oasis or another, you're just going to have to look for this option. So for me, sorry if my dog is barking and you can hear it. So basically, down here there's an advanced mode. Click on that and go to advanced. Onboard devices configuration. It's not a USB configuration. And you'll see this. Charging USB devices in state 5. People say to make sure this isn't enabled, but they're just bullshitting. Make sure it says disabled. Go to exit, save changes and reset, and I'll be back once I'm on. Loaded in, all you have to do is just go down and type in control panel, then go to hardware and sound, power options, then click up here, choose what to do, or choose the power buttons, do something like that. Then you'll see something up here that says change settings that currently unavailable. Click on that and then just untick the top one right here. It doesn't do anything, just click save changes, and now when you turn off your PC you'll see that your mouse turns off. So my PC's just shutting down and there you seen my mouse just went off. Like, subscribe and comment.